Hello, this is Michael Kinsler here again, Qtell Wholesale Limited, with Marley's Wholesale, and we'll go through our admin site here now. So basically I've just clicked on Appearance Settings, and this actually will come up here. This is the engine for the colours and the way the products and catalogue is all set up here. This is a very important page, and you should look into this and study and be careful here that don't change too many colors. And the best way to go about that is you can actually change the whole site here, and the best way to go around is actually make a note of where you are before you make a change. So I can actually change the whole site to here. Default is the one I have, and I can change to whatever color I want there. I don't use this personally myself. What I do is I've already set it up, and you'll have a basic page set up for ourselves, so you can actually just go in and do it manually. And to manually change any colors is actually click on this, edit site colors, and here we go. You see that a whole range of different colors, and the colors have letters and the actual code for the colors themselves. So basically then we'll just change something in here, and the best way to do is highlight before you change anything, is actually just highlight everything and copy it to your or print out the page itself, and so you keep note of what you have initially. Okay, so let's change something in here now. So I'll bring in my website. So I'm going to change these colors here. Okay, that'll be the first thing to do. So I'll just move that out of the way. So let's change this color. So you just click on this little icon here. You can go for more colors if you don't like the look of it, of what you have selected there. That's the color and current. So I can change that to blue, say. So I'll press OK, and you can see that that is now changed to blue. So I didn't make a note of what was initially, so I just go back on the page, go back into it again, and we'll notice that I didn't save any of the changes, and nothing has changed. So I take a copy of this here. So now I have a record of that. Go in and change it. This time I change it to a red. So as you can see, the code has changed. And then we'll just go down and save the changes. Your website. And then refresh the page. Waiting for the server, and as you can see, it's changed the color. So this is about what you can do in that. Basically, the more change. So just move that out of the way. Come down here, so I'll go back into where I was. Take that out, and then just paste in my original color. I'll save the changes. And then I'll bring back into refresh. And you'll notice that the color has come back. So there you go, the color has gone back again to where it was initially. And just move that out of the way. And you can change the background. You can basically change anything in here whatsoever. As I recommend, do you actually take a note of all these first. Okay, moving on. Back into appearance settings again. So we move on then to edit site layout. This is a very important piece in here. First of all, you'll see that you will notice these boxes here along the top. You can actually set your web page and how it looks on the internet. Make 100% so it goes across the whole screen or whoever's surfing it. I have mine set to this size here. You can have it going left, you can have it that pixel size, going centered, or align left. So that's the options which you have there. Moving on, you can have the top bar visible, yes, no, you don't change anything in here. And moving on again, box settings. Now you want your boxes to carry through all the way to the shopping cart, so you just keep them to no. 200 is your width of your boxes, so that's fine there. Now this here is what you're seeing here is cart menu, my cart, bestsellers, search, subscribe, and all manufacturers all down here. Open that up and you'll see what we have here. So basically they're there. Okay, moving on. The category menu then, as you see, is priority 2. So it's on the left. So I can move that to the right, or I can make it invisible. But I want to keep it to the left because in Europe we actually read from left to right. Priority then, pardon me, you can actually move that down to bottom. So if I move that down to the bottom, and then I save the changes, bring my page, and then refresh, you will notice then the categories will have moved from the top left down to the bottom. See? Gone. Your categories have now moved to here. And that's how you move all the boxes around. All the boxes can be moved in this way. So now you want up the sides where you want it. So we'll just out of the way, we'll move our categories back again. So we want to have it there at number 2. Save the changes. And that's it back again. So we're just moving our web page. Best thing to do is check every time you make a change. Just wait for the web page up. And there we have it. So now our categories have now come back. I've left the search in there at the top, so products can be searched real quick. And that's how you do it. We also have a translate, so we'll be moving on to these at a later stage. Okay, this is Michael Kinsler from Qtell Wholesale Limited with Marley's Wholesale on video tutorials on how to use your web, and I'll catch you on the next tutorial. Thank you.